Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting the shoulder straps on their Graco TrioGrow car seat? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Loosen straps. Loosen the harness straps by pushing the release lever and pulling the straps. Step 2. Raise and unbuckle. Raise the headrest to its highest position and unbuckle both clips. Step 3. Expose shell. Unsnap the seat pad by undoing 2 snaps and pull back to expose the shell. Step 4. Adjust straps. Adjust harness straps to the correct height according to your child's size. Step 5. Secure pad. Replace the seat pad, ensuring everything is securely snapped in place. Now you should be able to easily adjust the shoulder straps on your Graco TrioGrow car seat. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Graco users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.